Uh, I got some new games. So that's the Uno and 48. Then here you see my microphones as well. So later on, we are doing group sharing. We will go into the recording as well. So for those of our friends who are not quite sure what's happening, so the two new games are here. For those of us who are not quite sure what happened yesterday, there are some instructions on the game. So what you can do is just follow the instructions set on it. There's instructions on it, and in the booklet as well, completely new, brand new. I bought them. Okay, and this one has some customizable special cards. Okay, right. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so today we have quite a bit of things to do. First up, yesterday, for those of us who were not here, there were two things that went on. One of them was I was telling our class, maybe we started on the Google Classroom. Okay, and with your friends' suggestions, I put up our NDP photo and also this one here. Okay, and yesterday's video I put it up here. So later I will share the playlist link for on to the Google Classroom. So yesterday we talked about this Mr. Dwayne Johnson, and then we find out what we're talking about. Exactly what about Mr. Dwayne Johnson, the rock, was about how much effort actually you put in your work. So previously, I think I recorded it down, but I didn't update my so you couldn't see what I was sharing. So I'll share with you again now. What I was talking about was I asked to collect page 51 to 56. Oh no, 51, 52 for rage, and then 56. And then I was telling you that it really goes down to, I was telling everyone, it really goes down to your effort. How much effort you're willing to put in your work to make, you're learning your own business. So some of your friends, example, and I told you that never mind, just send it in so I can see whether you did it or not. So like Xavier, who didn't do this page 52, just makes me feel, oh, you didn't do your homework. That is a little disappointing, but never mind, I forgive you. You can catch on it again. But it really shows that, come on guys, I think we can put in a bit more effort in our work. You see, even Haris, he wrote some examples. And I said, I kept this open. It doesn't have to be the PUB view. It could be high grade, it could be a lot of things. So let's look at it. I think we can do so much better. And then with that, I told you that for our SLS and TLS, we are going to use this template together with it. So let me share it. PowerPoint. Okay. So it was on this slide. Five seconds before I shout at somebody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, before I proceed on to our group sharing, just a reminder of your homework. Your homework is page 1 to 4. These 4 pages are recall for your primary 4 work. Okay, they are recall for your primary 4 work. Page 4 is not supposed to be done with a calculator. I see some of you pressing the calculator and give me just straightforward answer like this. I will not mark it as correct and ask you to show working. Okay? Anyway, so I need to see a working being presented. Can you understand? This is page 4. If you're not ready to hand in, never mind, you can have another thing. Shall I collect it tomorrow instead? Okay, page 1 to 4, some of our friends are also not aware of the homework, so because they were away yesterday. So page 1 to 4 tomorrow. Is that okay? Next. Okay, next we move on. Now, do your homework now, please. Homework is homework. Put your workbooks aside. Put your workbooks aside. Homework is homework. Write your homework in your handbook if you need. Now, okay, so we were at the task of our group sharing. We are going to proceed on with our group sharing. We'll just do it for 10 minutes. We give each group just 2 minutes to share. Now, these are all P4 questions. And why am I asking you to do this? Is go back to this. Okay, I want you to be aware with P4 content, with P4 questions and content, you should be at the stage that you can do this without help, and that you can even explain it to someone else. Now, why am I asking you for tips? Then it's really to give you some time to build your confidence that you can achieve level 4. It's not something that is not achievable. You can do it. Maybe in terms of certain language, okay, you don't really know how to say it. But I'm saying fine. Just use your own way of explaining first. Okay? Now, let's see. Any hands up for going first? Okay, come. Okay, who's going to go next? Okay, try to speak. Yep.
So I think that when I was before, I faced a difficulty with the face value. Because when I was before, I thought that 0.4 was the same as 0.04. So I just knew just knew that 0.04 is not the same as 0.4. So I think a lot of people also have the trouble that I did. So this is what my teacher taught me to do. If you're very confused about the sum and the place values, you just can take the time to draw one
Okay, thank you very much. Let's give her a round of applause. And I would like to have you and Jane share the same question first. Then before we go on to the multiplications, I'd like to come. Higher. Yeah, go ahead. Let's hold on. Let's give our friends some encouragement by giving the attention. When you are speaking, you want your friends to be listening too, and that helps a lot. So let's give them the attention. Okay.
The difficulty is that we think the impossible will face like the placement of the receiver. The decimal point. That is the pitch where we change the like put the zero at a zero at the big spots. And then I like the decimal points. The order.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, so he's explaining for addition subtraction. Does someone have something similar? Okay, can you come and explain yours? Okay, let's give Tia and Jaya a round of applause. Arya and Nicole. Okay, there's something similar response to do with that. Okay, then the next one. Harish group, can you do multiplication? Not Harish. Harish, yes, Harish. Have you done the multiplication one? Okay, later you come up for the multiplication. Okay, followed by Adam and Fabin. Your group did the multiplication? Okay, so you come out and explain the division, multiplication one. Okay, Brandon. You do division. Okay, let's go.
The placement of the decimal point in the
Carry on.
placement of decimal point in the worksheet, we work it like another place and then like get it wrong, so it's like align it.
Okay. So, okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Nicole. But she presented it in a clearer way by highlighting the decimal point. So most of us got it. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, next up. Harish is going to share on multiplication. Yep. Hey! Are you listening? Okay, let's go.
Some of the difficulties the people will face is times table working. So 0 plus 9 is 9. It was 9.
Okay.
And the people for is working on
Okay. Working on the times table and calculation errors, especially with the 0 times table. Okay, can I understand? Okay, since I saw this, you want to share with us about the rounding as well? Okay, thank you. Okay, so to elaborate what Harish is saying, rounding, when you're rounding, you need to pay particular attention to whether the question is asking for correcting to 1 or 2 decimal places. Okay, thank you, Harish. A round of applause for Harish, please. Is it 7 who is coming up or Dudley will be coming up? Okay. Okay, never mind. So now can you come forward again and show me your work? Okay, now I'm gonna go a bit faster. Okay, Danish, hold on. Danish, hold on. I'm gonna go a bit faster here. I ask a few questions. How many of us notice there is a challenge with times table? And you think the current course will face? Okay, so that's got to do with the times table. But then I asked Sana an important question earlier on. So I'm going to ask everyone the same question. Do you think that doing multiplication of 5.73 with 5, is it the same as doing multiplication 573 times 5? Is it the same? Okay. I asked the question again, now you're not listening. 5.73 times 5, is it the same as 573 times 5? Same or not same? Who thinks it's the same reason? 5.73 times 5 versus 573 times 5. Who thinks it's the same? Who thinks it's not the same? Okay, Travis say, and first he say it's the same because the number is still the same. So 573 times 5 and 5.73 times 5 is the same. So you still get 2865. So Travis said, just add a decimal point. Can you understand why he reasoned like that? Now, those who think that, no, they are not the same. Why? Clearly, they are not the same because one is a decimal and just now is a whole number. Agree? So I'll throw Travis the same question. Then how do you decide where to place the decimal point? Anyhow? Is that how you're going to tell my primary four students? Anyhow? Yes.
The decimal point really changes the value of the number. So, for example, in the decimal point here, and in the value of the number will change. So, the decimal point is really important.
Okay, so the decimal point is really important. But then, my dear children, when you do the SLS later on your ALS, I want you to look for some course that tells you how about doing questions like this. Then how are you going to decide where to put the decimal point? Okay. Anyway, in regards to rounding, I just want a quick summary here. Just this. And Sana's group said you got to have the midpoint and start and the end to decide whether you are rounding up or down. Okay, I'm going to stop this activity here because I really want us to have time for the ALS. Can I get the first two rows? Danish, instead of presenting, can you help me select the paper here? Can I have the first two rows to get the laptop quickly? We have just 10 minutes for it. Only got 10 minutes only. So you can only log in to my, I think, Google Classroom. I think today I wanted to do a lot of things. Too much. So maybe I keep the ALS for tomorrow. Can you just get onto the Google Classroom with me? Okay? Next two groups, go. So our 10 minutes, I think that's enough for the Google Classroom. We do our ALS tomorrow instead. Thank you, Dani. Sorry that I didn't have a chance for you to present. We'll do it another time, okay? It's for the box. You want me to put in the box? Okay, you give me one and I can put two. Okay, once you log in, so for the rest of the 10 minutes, I just need you to join my Google Classroom. Tomorrow, then we use all the time for the ALS. Okay? Yes, go. Go. Ryan and La. No? I think I got your name wrong again. Ella. Ella. Okay, once you log in, just log on to your Google Classroom and join my group. Tomorrow, then we use the time all the time for AIS. Oh wow, I saw this. I forgot to get your group to write names. Only Rebelly wrote the name. This group got an impressive writing. Wow. I should show you this. Let me stop sharing for a while. Look at this, look at this. Clearly, this group spent really a lot of the time and effort in their writing. Wow, okay. Which group is this, huh? Danny's group. Oh, I should have given you the chance to present. This looks amazing. You know, the thing is this. I'm less concerned if you're right or wrong, more concerned if you put in effort. Okay? Well, right and wrong is important too, but really the effort is very important. This is really great work. Okay. Back to the, let me share the screen again. Okay, just for the last 10 minutes, can you just get into the Google Classroom? Then you can see I will add in 2 links right after you join me. Log out. If the Google account doesn't belong to you, just log out. Arya, can you focus on yourself, please? So if you realize that Google account is not yours, don't go and spend time to figure out and understand who that person is. Rather, quickly log out and log into yours. Now, once you are in a Google Classroom, let me check if I've got anybody here. I've got one first come in. Well done, very fast. Then inside already, let me refresh. Okay, got 7 now.